Hello Dave, it's nice you have watched the two previous videos. In this video I'm gonna show you how I could use the location model to uh, design the road. So first I open the location model version 9. If you remember, we have created a TERX file for the previous step. So I go to new file and I select the new alignment, that TRX file that I created in the previous video. If I press open and then OK, the location model automatically recognized the new alignment that I created in the previous step. And then yeah, there you go, this is the plan and typical section and a table of data of the project. In the plan, I could change the location of the IPs. We have some insertion points, so if I click right, select the add edit IP bottom, I could easily change the location of these IPs. Of course, in the road, we want to design some curves. The curves depends on the radius and also the speed of the cars. So for example, in one of these IPs I could go to the horizontal curves and use the get default curve. It's possible to change the design speed. For example, I'm going to change it from 211 to 100, and I want to change radius from 600 to 200, and if I hit the apply button, you could see that automatically a curve is created here. So this is the uh, beginning of the curve and this is the end of the curve, and here is the information of the curve, that we could see that the radius of the curve is 200. So I could define curve for different IPs in the plan. uh, in the previous video I explained how I could change asphalt base and sub base thickness and slope in the section, and also how we could see the different information in this window. But the next step is to show you how we could prepare some outputs and print these pages. So in the output I go to the access web library, I select the D-size plan profile 2, and if I hit the OK button I could see the plan, longitudinal profile and mass hole. That these are the available formats that we have in the RoadEng, in the location module. Also, it's possible to edit different parts very easily to change the name of the company, name of the project, a scale of the project. You could add easily a legend here. Also, the logo of the company could be here, or any notes that you want to add for the map. So if I go to the pagination, I can, for example, say that in each 500 meters I want to have one page with 15% overlap. So if I click OK in different pages, I could see the plan and longitudinal profile of the plan. So for example, here is station 1728, and we could see the uh, longitudinal profile of the road here with similar station. It's possible to add the amount of cotton fill. So to do that, I double click on the window on the longitudinal plan. I'm gonna select these ones and remove all of them. I want to define a new custom label here, and it's possible to add different attributes for this one. I want to have cut and fill in different sections, as you mentioned in your email. It's possible to add also some other information that we have. If I press OK and then point selection, it's possible to see a cut and fill of different sections at 100 meters and each 100 meters. So I click OK and then I click OK. So here the mass hole diagram is removed from the window, and we could see the cut and fill for each uh, section. It's easily to change, for example, the color or size of uh, these notes. For example, I want to change the size to 5 and I want to change the color to red, so I could change all of these items very easily to have the appropriate format that I want to have in the output. I have already selected also the report points. It's possible to create some sections in the longitudinal profile. So I go to the uh, report points and then to the auto interval points. I could change the distance between sections very easily. Let's keep 100. If I click on the OK and then I will go to the labels. For example, I want to see the stations here. It's possible to change the position. For example, it could be, I could change the horizontal offset, for example, from 0 to 1. I could change the color. It could be on the left side or right side. If I hit the OK button, I could see that the stations and at each 100-meter are shown on the screen. Of course, it's possible to create this page without using the available chapters. So to do that, I just click right on the screen. I go to the new sub window icon and I could add another profile section or legend or a box of note that I want to have. For example, if I could select the profile view, I could have another profile in the screen. I could change the scale very easily, but in this window I have another longitudinal profile, so I don't need this one. But suppose that I want to have a note, so I go to RoadEng and I could add a note here. Yeah, there you go. And I could move this box to different location. Another item that would be nice to have it is sections of the road. So to do that, I go to the Access Web Library again and I click on the D-side cross sections. So another chapter will be created automatically and I could see all sections of the road here. Again, it's possible to change different items in the sections. For example, I could add some labels for different layers. I could change the symbols or any other item that I could have in the output. The location module automatically recognizes the number of sheet here. So the number of sheet, the station of the road and other information are here. Yeah, so for example, if I want to print this page, I just go to the file, print, and select the Qt PDF writer. For example, I want to print all of these pages. I go to properties, I select the appropriate paper size. It should be ISO A1, and if I click OK and then OK, the location module creates the PDF file. So yeah, let's keep the name new alignment 1 PDF. I will save it, and if I open the file, I will have a different section in the paper. And thank you very much, and let me know if you have any other question.